Hello everybody, I hope everybody's doing well today. Today I'm doing the trailer lights on the trailer light harness on the 92. We did the trailer hitch yesterday, and this is taking me a little while to figure out. On the other truck here, the other truck came from the factory with the trailer hitch and the light hook up, you know, with the converter box and everything like that. So this one didn't, so I'm like starting from scratch. I know one thing, I have to run a wire from the left side directional here across and intersect it into this box here. That's it so far. There's an access plug underneath. It's a small plug that I noticed on the other truck there. I took the plug out, but I couldn't get the harness up through there because it won't fit. And I don't want to damage. I didn't want to cut the hole or anything because I want to just slice the existing cover that was on there so the wires fit through there. So I'll let you know what's going on as I go. So right now, I hated to have to do this, but I had to cut the wires off this converter box here to get the wiring up through the body down below there. So best thing you could do with these is solder the wires, but I'm not going to. I'm going to use the solderless connectors here, but I do recommend soldering all the wires. This has already gotten into a big deal here. The other truck, I changed it on that, and I just used the solderless connectors, and I'm not having any problems because everything's inside, so it's not that you have to worry about water or anything. But after I put the connectors on, I connect the wires. I am going to take some electrical tape and tape them up. So I'll be with you, I don't know, every couple of minutes, I guess, as I keep moving along. I'm going to have to test each circuit by like turning on the right directional, the left directional, the brake lights, the tail lights. But thankfully, which you're never going to see, it's marked right on the converter box here what wire goes to where. So that's a relief. Because the color code here doesn't match up to where the wires are going. So that's a good thing anyway. So far I spliced the harness back into where it goes into the box here, the converter box, because I had to cut the wires to get it through the frame. That's ridiculous, but that's what I had to do. And so far I've got the right turn signals hooked up, and what I'm doing now, this is why test light's your friend. Let's see if I can get that in there. Yeah, that lights it up. So I'm just hooking everything up to the box right now, and I don't know if I'm going to finish today. It took me a while to get started on this. I was flustered. I didn't know what to do, and I just figured it out as I went. Like I said, it didn't have the come from the factory with the harness all set up. So anyway, if you're ever by yourself, you need to hold the brake down, I use the breaker bar. Just put the seat up till the brake light comes on, because I'm always alone most of the time here. So okay, so the other truck is actually set up like this too. For the left turn signal, I just ran the wire through the grommet here, and what it does is it runs across here, and then the cover that holds the carpet in goes over it, and it comes over to the junction box here. So that's about it. It's almost all wired in. I just got to wire in the left turn signal, and it's done. It's a pain, but what are you going to do? You have to have trailer lights. Okay, so everything works. I just hooked up the trailer to it. I got the right signal on. It's on in the truck. It's on here. I tried the left signal, that worked. I tried to brake. I'm just going to try the left signal with the parking lights on. See what happens. Yeah, left signal works. And the parking light's on, so that's on. Alright, so it's done. So that'll be it for this video today. The little bit that I showed you how to do it. I don't know, I really couldn't film this whole thing. This took me a couple of hours at least to do. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.